Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, thanks for checking in. Basically now what's happening is we are going to Europe tomorrow, well at 3 AM. I just want to do a few pre-checks of what I've done before. This is the second time I've done this now, so the first time I sort of overpacked. Doing about 7 to 10 days. So the plan is we're going to get to Calais, check the weather out and either go clockwise or anti-clockwise. So yeah, what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to track the GPS, let you know which roads we're going on. I want to track the fuel, check the mileage, you know, what tyres are going on, everything that I can sort of help anyone that's thinking about going. It is the 20, no, it's the 20, is it? It's the 4th, no, it's not, is it? 4th of July today. Hey, Independence Day, woohoo! We are going, leaving my house tomorrow at 4 AM. Got to be at Calais Folkestone at half past 12, so I'm in Manchester, going down to Folkestone. I think it's about 200 miles, could be wrong, anyway. So my brother just passed his test back in April, I think. He's going on his 2005 Try and Sprint. Already cadged a bit of room in there, happy days. He's going on that. My dad is going on his 2009 Hayabusa. You might have seen that in a previous video. I've been racing and been getting loads of stick, but I'm bothered. And this is what I'm going on, my 2015 GSXR, and this is all I'm taking, just this and a bum bag, fanny pack if you call it in the States. Oh sorry, then there's a fourth person coming. Mick, you might have seen him on the first trip. He's going on his 2015 S1000 RR. Now again, all I'm taking is the Oxford Aqua T20. See, it's pretty full. I've got plenty of t-shirts in there. I think I've got 10 t-shirts, 10 pairs of socks, and then I've got one hoodie. And my waterproofs are going in Tom's top box. Now, I would be taking a backpack if Tom wasn't bringing this, I've got to admit. So, yeah, they wouldn't, something would be getting stuck out of there. Or I've got one pair of trainers, you know, small toothbrush, small deodorant. Next thing you'll see is probably 4 AM, it'll be pretty quiet. I'll set the GoPro up and then pull the fuel up.
We're all geared up, ready to go. Just contemplate with the idea of whether to wear a jumper or not. But this is how we're going. It's Tom's bike. Ready to go. Bike's rolling up. We're going to be on the road in 10-15 minutes or so. Just waiting for my dad to turn up. And then yeah, we'll see you at Mackey's with a coffee. Welcome guys. It is now a little bit later than we wanted it to be. Somebody was late, but never mind. But now we're off. Goodbye house, goodbye car. Let's get the fuck out of here. I'm just gonna push it to end at street. Piss my missus off and my kid. Woohoo. I wish. Yeah, good. Okay, we're off. We're off, kids. So, first thing we've done is about 2 weeks ago, we booked our Eurostar. Save ourselves a bit of money, so I recommend you do that. Did I love? Okay, let's get out of here, bitches. Oh, I'm going to be sore as shit in about 7 days time. That's the only thing sort of from last time that I really suffered from. I had proper arse ache, as you've seen by the time we got to Luxembourg. We've got some miles to do, and my only concern is that I've got RS10s on and they're not really known for mileage, so I may need some tyres while we're out there.
I hope not. But if I do, I do. She like she was well hungover. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water. Yeah, man. They're mediums then. Fucking hell, it's already started. On a budget. Mediums, I like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Quick coffee. Really quick coffee.
So you just pour it in?
And we're off.
Okay, so before we set off, 13,958 bitches. What are you saying? Just go and check fair pressure and that. A bit of close. Go on, be somewhere I can get you. Obviously it's behind a fucking mud guard, isn't it? Look at my bike, it's fucking beautiful, isn't it? Come on. I wish I could be the perfect daughter. Thank you. There's some right angle valves. First tip, get some of them fuckers. Right. See, normally I get about 100 miles, not more than 100 miles. Fucking buzzing. But yeah, I've done 100 mile already and my light's not even on. Hey? Yeah. Let's get some fucking food. Ah, yeah. Hey? So that's motorway's fucking pets, isn't it? Yeah, it gets you where you want to go quickly, but it's a shit drone. So what time are you on now? We've got loads of time, haven't we? 7:30. Fucking loads of time. So get some food and that. Yeah, done well there. Yeah. Well, we've done what, 100 miles, we've got another 2 to go. Oh, we've done 100 miles, that's fucking top. We've done 100 miles, haven't we? 100 and... We're still like 200 miles away, aren't we then? Yeah, so we'll should be there about 10:30, we're well too early.
Oh, yeah, good half hour, 5 minutes here, definitely. And then we can just jump back on there again.
Right. Vlogging problems, I've got to take all this shit off and all swipes it all.
Just fuck me, hey.
Right, we got some food and that back in the bins. Who's trying shit? Got too much tech on my bike. That's how you feeling?
Back's a bit sore. My ass is.
We're a bit tender, but we've
Want to see how it digs?
we've booked a room on booking.com. On the pictures, it looked mint.
No, it didn't.
Looked mint. So and then it turns out we're like, so secure parking is this, and then this is that. This is a triple room.
See the security for the bike.
Triple room with a private bathroom. Yeah, so word of advice, just do your due diligence. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's
And don't go, oh, it looks good here, we'll stay here.
yeah, I didn't do that. But anyway, it's somewhere to sleep. Bikes are right outside our room. But our mate's not talking to us because it's really shit in here. But if you do like it, if it looks good, yeah, that's what we're going. There's a buffet bar and grill literally right there. And it's called the Classic. It's a bit ironic 'cause it's not. What's it called?
It's called Premier.
It's called Classic or something like that.
Premier Class Hotel, it's called.
Premier Class Hotel, and it's, you know, lives up to its every word. So anyway, that's us for the night. We're going to go get a drink and that, and we'll catch us up in the morning. Fizzle.